Yeah, so we want to bring you some trading ideas. It is the holidays after all. So Coinbase could be one of the hottest IPOs in 2021. Company last raised funds at an $8 billion valuation. In 2018 was valued at $1.7 billion in 2017. So reports out now say that Coinbase could be valued at $28 billion. So while you can't buy shares of Coinbase today, I want to point out a publicly traded company that was an early investor in Coinbase. So the company to watch here is foreign bank Banco Bilbao Vizcaya Argentaria. That symbol BBVA. So the company began investing in Coinbase back in 2015. At the time, the executive director said that they wanted a better understanding of the industry, and to see how cryptocurrency works. So that 2015 round valued Coinbase at $400 million. So with that listing expected to price, much higher than that last round of 8 billion, with BBVA being linked here, I think we could see those shares trade higher with that investment stake in Coinbase. Disclosure, I am long calls of BBVA for 2021, as I think the Coinbase connection, really could push those shares higher. We're under $5 right now. I do like this one going higher. And then to fire off on a couple quick trade ideas. So BIGC, this is Big Commerce Holdings. This was an IPO this year. They've beat earnings, both of their quarterly reports so far. They could be in line for a big holiday season, and shares are trading significantly down from the rise of the IPO. And then up next, I have POWW. So this was an uplisting this year, so again, totally unrelated space from Fubo, but we did see how that company getting an uplisting brought more attention to it. So this is an ammunition company. So they make ammo. They saw record sales of 55 million for the year, which is up 270%. They have a current backlog of $135 million, which, is more than their annual sales. This is a small cap company. So be careful here, but I do like that one. And then BLI, this was Berkeley Lights. This was a IPO this year. This one has rocketed higher, but it is a top 20 holding in the ARC-G ETF, and Cathie Wood has been adding to that stake. So this is one to watch for on pullbacks. And then lastly, turning to SPACs, one that I really like here is RTP. This is the SPAC from Mark Pincus, the founder of Benzinga, and Reid Hoffman, the founder of LinkedIn. And I do want to point out that Chamath Palihapitiya was recently in a fireside chat. The video is on YouTube, and he was interviewed by someone, but Reid Hoffman was the other person in that fireside chat. So not to start too many rumors, but maybe there is a relationship there, and we could see a connection. And also with Roblox delaying their IPO and now a rumor for a SPAC. With that connection to Mark Pincus and Zynga, maybe RTP becomes in play as a Roblox SPAC. So this is one that I will be watching. What do you got for us, Mitch?
One that I would mention that I like for the year is GAN. I know a lot of people might hit me for this one, but GAN is one that I've actually gotten into. Full disclosure, I'm in here. I'll even give you my pricing, guys. I'm in here at $16.75. I'm going to be trying to risk down closer towards this this $15 point. So what is the story here, right? The story to me is that the state by state, we talked about it yesterday for DMYT and DMYDT, is that at the end of the day, I think state by state, there's going to be more incentive to go towards the gambling and faster into that gambling. And so with that being said, why not look for the thing behind the thing? And to me, the best thing behind a thing right now is GAN. If I'm opening a casino right now, or an online casino, and I want to go ahead and open a new platform, I'm going to call up GAN and try to start getting that set up. So one of the things I'm definitely seeing in this stock is a pullback multiple times towards 15. Sometimes they talk about double tops or triple tops. To me, this is a double or triple bottom. And whenever I see the rule of three, you guys hear me talk about it all the time. The rule of three says pull off that 15, and I'll be looking for a move up towards that 2190s, maybe up there to that 25 in the long time, in the long period. I'll be trying to get that 30%. To me, the 30% is a good profit up here by that 2190s, and we'll see if I can hold on to a piece and let it try to rip out.